Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about how to look your best, but how to look like you. So you could call this a no makeup look, or maybe just a step up from that, because I do want to look like I have some makeup on, but I really want not the makeup to be what walks in the room first, but just the best version of myself. So I teamed up with Merit Beauty, and I'm going to be using pretty much all Merit Beauty products. Merit Beauty is really known for minimalist makeup, so it's really known for creating products that are clean, that are multitasking, products that really enhance your natural beauty. I was actually just watching a video of the founder of Merit Beauty, and she was describing how Merit Beauty is really meant to, like, we want to look like ourselves, but our best version of ourselves. Now, I'm gonna raise my hand and say sometimes I want to look a little glamorous, but there are some days where I certainly just want to perfect my skin, but not cover my skin, and that's where Merit Beauty comes into play. So I did already prep my skin with one of their newer products that I've really been enjoying. I shared this on Instagram a couple weeks ago. This is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This is such an incredible product. It is like a oil mixed with a serum, mixed with like a glowy like primer. It's just all of these amazing things. I love the way that this feels. If you like the look of a face oil, but you don't like the texture of a face oil, this is such a beautiful product. This really is so lightweight. It feels so nice on the skin. It gives the skin a really beautiful glow. You can see that I already applied it, so you can see what my skin looks like about 5 minutes after it's kind of been sitting on my skin. You can use this morning or night before your moisturizer. I sometimes like to do it before makeup, depending on how my skin is reacting that day, what the weather's like. It's starting to get cool here, so it's a little bit drier. So anything I can add to give my skin a little more life is good. And this is the serum that'll give your skin some life. So I did apply that first. Next, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to kind of perfect my complexion. So I am the shade Ochre in the complexion stick from Merit Beauty. Now this can be used as a foundation or a concealer. And some days it's enough for me for both. Some days I like to pair it with a more full coverage concealer. It really depends. Today, we're gonna see what we feel like today. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by just kind of doing 2 large swipes across my face. I wanna do one down the bridge of my nose, on the side of my nose, up my forehead. So I'm applying this pretty generously. You can certainly use this to like spot conceal or spot cover. Today I'm wanting to build this up to get a little bit more coverage. The way you're gonna get the most coverage when you're using a product like this is really just bouncing your brush onto the skin. I would not use a sponge if you're looking for more coverage, because a sponge can absorb your product. Not that that's bad if you want a more natural finish, but today I wanna get more coverage from this. So I'm just gonna bounce this on top of the skin and then softly buff in little circles as I get here to the perimeter of the face. Another great benefit of the Great Skin Serum is it really does give a beautiful slip to the skin. So your foundations and concealers will just like melt into the skin. So nice. Stick foundations can tend to be a little bit of a drier consistency. So it's a great product to use if you're using a stick or foundation. Like it just like makes the makeup spread, which is gonna result in you using less and needing less product. All right, now I've got some good coverage. So you can see this is a really versatile product. If you are someone that some days you wanna look like you have nothing on and some days you want a full face of glam, this is a great option for you. That glow serum seriously is probably one of the best glow serums I have ever used. It's like a skincare product, but it's also a makeup, like it's a great primer for your makeup. So I think that's what makes it really unique, is that it gives instant results to the way that your makeup looks while having skincare benefits in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, that looks so good. I'm gonna show you how this can cover underneath the eyes, but I am gonna go in with a little more concealer today. So I'm just gonna do a little swipe underneath the eye here. And I'm actually gonna use my finger to blend this out. Using your finger is gonna allow you to get a little more coverage as well. This is all the coverage I really need, honestly. It looks very, very natural, but brightened and even. So I added a little bit of powder underneath the eyes, on the forehead, and just around the nose, but I wanted to keep the rest of the skin really natural. I'm gonna go in with more cream products, including the Bronze Balm by Merit and their creamy blush to give a little bit more color to the cheeks. And because I'm working with cream products, I don't wanna layer a heavy powder down first. So I'm gonna go in with this product. What I love about this Bronze Balm, I love cream bronzers and cream blushes. I think that as I get older, they just look so beautiful on the skin and they give the skin a lot of life. This formula is that's really unique because it's very versatile and buildable. It's not super, super, super richly pigmented, which is great because you can get a very natural looking finish from it, or you can build it to get more color. You really can customize the payoff that you get from this. What I also like about it being a little bit more sheer is the days that you don't want to wear foundation, maybe you just want to wear a tinted SPF, or maybe you want to wear nothing and you just want to have your moisturizer on, but you want a little bit of warmth to the skin. Using a more natural bronze cream product like this is just going to blend in and look more natural, because if you use something really heavily and pigmented when you don't have any more makeup on, it looks bad. I mean, there's just no way around it. It doesn't look good. This looks beautiful. So I'm going to take this and I'm actually just going to kind of draw a little line from my hairline, kind of just cup right underneath my cheek. This has a good level of warmth to it, but it's not too warm. So it's can kind of almost work as like a contour or a bronzer. I'm gonna take a little bit too on my nose, more just to kind of bring some warmth to the center of the face. And I'm gonna use my foundation brush to blend this out, and I'm just gonna bounce it on top. So if you've never shopped Merit Beauty before, as a new customer, you get their signature bag included in your first order, complimentary. It's a really cute like little bag. It could be used for makeup, or it could actually be used as like an evening bag. And they offer free shipping and free returns. Free shipping on orders $40 or more, and then free returns. I think that's really important for me when I order products online, is just to have a flexible return policy. Do you see how natural that looks? Like, it looks so light and natural. And this is also a product similar to the complexion stick that if you want more, you can get more. Okay, pretty. So now I've got some warmth and a little bit more dimension to the face, but it still looks very, very natural. I'm gonna go in and add color to the cheeks. I'm gonna use their little cheek color in the shade Beverly Hills. This is also similar to the bronzer and the complexion stick, a product that's pretty versatile. I want a nice soft flush on the skin, so I'm actually gonna go from my brush to the product and just kind of bounce it on the cheek. This is how you're gonna get the most natural payoff from this product. On the other cheek, I'll go in and actually apply it directly to the skin so you can see how this color builds. But do you see, even just by going from the brush to the skin, you can build the color up. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. That is literally so beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, that is gorgeous. Now, depending on if you like a really dewy, glowy look, or you want to cut down the shine a little bit, I'm gonna do that just because it's raining today, so it's a humid day here in Austin, and I am gonna be running some errands, so I'm just gonna take a big powder brush and I'm softly gonna bounce it around where I applied that product. I don't want to cut down that glow entirely, I just want to set it to keep it in place. Perfect. So pretty. I'm gonna keep the eyes really light. I'm not gonna apply any liner or shadow, but I am gonna apply their highlighting stick. This is the highlighting balm in the shade Bounce, and this actually comes in a really cute set that they have for the holidays. This is what it comes like. I'm gonna show you guys. It's really a great gift. It's the Lafette edition. So it comes in this cute little box. You slide it out and you get several products. You get the highlighter, you get a lipstick, you get the mascara, which is a really great lengthening mascara. You guys will see me use this next. You get a smaller size of the Glow Skin Serum, and then you also get a brow pomade, which I'm gonna go ahead and apply right now. I did fill my brows in with my favorite brow pencil just to give some shape. Then I'm gonna use this product to kind of lay down the hair and keep the hair in place. So pretty. So next I'm gonna take the highlighting balm in the shade Bounce, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and kind of swipe it on my eyes. And I'm gonna use my finger to kind of blend it out. This is just gonna give a very soft highlight to the lid, brighten the lid a little bit. You can also take a little bit of this and highlight the skin. You can see how that gives a really pretty glow to the skin. I feel like I already have a pretty glow going on, so I'm gonna be pretty liberal with this on my skin. Maybe a tiny bit on my chin. Next, I'm gonna layer several coats of the Merit Mascara. I did put a little bit of a lash primer on already. I use this primer every day, you guys know that. I'm gonna go and layer this on top. So this mascara is a really great lengthening mascara. It also gives the appearance of more soft lashes, really natural soft lashes. You can layer it and you are not gonna get clumpy lashes. I'm gonna layer it quite a bit because I want some good volume and length. Oh, so pretty. You can also use the tip of it to kind of fan out the lashes and get a really pretty fanned out lash look. Since I'm not doing much eye makeup at all, I really want the lashes to be the focus for the eyes. I've been having good lashes lately. I've been using my lash serum every night, and my lashes are like at their prime. You know, your lashes are on a growth cycle, so if you ever feel like some weeks your lashes look really long and lush and then other weeks they look bare and short, that is normal. Your lash hair is on a cycle, so it grows and sheds. And right now I'm like at the end of a good growth cycle. So I'm kind of loving it. So mascara is my best friend because it really emphasizes my lashes. Look at that, amazing. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit to the lower lash line. I'm really taking my time with the mascara. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is add some color to my lips. You can see that my natural lip color is pretty light. So I am gonna add a lipstick and a lip oil on top of it. I'm gonna go in with the shade Millennial from Merit. This is a really great kind of everyday rosy shade. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. This is a buildable lip color. This is after you get a couple of swipes on it, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like if you just do one swipe. So you can see a good theme with Merit's products is they're buildable, which is nice because if you want something natural, you can achieve that. But if you want a, you know, a little bit more of an impact, you can also get that. I'm gonna just do one swipe. Make that two. So pretty. It's a very, the texture feels very, it almost feels like a lip primer in it. Very smooth, not heavy, not super glossy, but not matte either, kind of in between. The last thing I'm gonna do is top this with one of their lip oils just to give a little bit of shine and hydration to the lips. And I'm using the shade Au Naturel. This product I keep in my gym bag because when you wear it by itself without a lipstick underneath it, it just gives a really natural tint to the lips and a little bit of gloss. Like it'll give a shine, but it's not like a traditional gloss. Perfect. And this is the finished look, and I have to say, I think we really achieved our goal for this video, which was to create a look that emphasized and enhanced our natural beauty without hiding it. So it's all about creating a look that you feel and look like your best, but you still look like you. So I think we achieved it. What do you think? I'm gonna have all the products that I use listed in the description box below for you. Be sure and check this set out, you guys, while you're on Merit's website. It's really such a great value, one of their best sets, and I think it really makes such a great Christmas gift. I mean, it's just beautiful presentation. I know if I received this for Christmas, I would be so excited about it. It has a few products in here that I love. Several of them we used in this video. Did we use them all? We actually used all of these products in the video, minus the exception of the lipstick. Let me show you the lipstick color that comes in here because it is a different color. It's a really great red for holiday. So I'm gonna layer this a few times so you can see, and then I'll do a sheer layer too so you can see how it would look if you did one sheer swipe and if you layered it quite a bit. Don't forget that you get the signature bag. If you're a new customer of Merit Beauty, you'll get that included in your first order for free. It's a beautiful bag. I'll include a picture of it here on the screen. And then with every order over $40, you get free shipping, and you will always get free returns, which I really appreciate when you're shopping beauty products online. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope your holiday season is going well and stress-free. Remember to take care of yourself, super, super important. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.